I definitely feel that my office right now is reflective of what's going on in my life. It's a catch-all for everything, right? Because those are the things that I don't want or need to deal with in that moment because of those other priorities that are taking over.
Amanda, you can come in.
Oh my Oh my gosh, when I walked into my office, it was so bright. She changed the window treatments. I have a whole light in there now. And my background is not the window any longer.
This is great. No, I love it so much.
Oh, that's awesome. Her reaction, she almost brought me to tears. I thought she was going to cry. The happiness on her face, the joy from seeing her space, it really warmed my heart, and it made me realize even more why I do what I do. So we gave you a better background.
That's phenomenal.
And now you are actually able to have the light coming from your window onto your face while you're in the virtual world.
She positioned the desk perfectly. There's a piece of art behind me, there's a clock behind me, so the focus will be on me, but I think it'll definitely brighten up my approach to my calls too.
And you even have a corner cubby.
That's great.
Which gives you some more options to be a little bit closer to your desk if you don't want to get up and come over here. So
sure.
I did that for you also.
Michael truly went above and beyond. I know that there's certain things that don't typically get done with just organization in general. And I had a lot of things, but nowhere to put the things. She really maximized the functionality of the space more than what I could have ever expected.
I think you're gonna love this.
I
really do.
I already do.
You already do. That's
I know
awesome.
that being on camera, that's gonna be perfect. I don't have to always have that light right on my face
Yes.
all the time. This is amazing.
Yes, and you have the new white curtains.
Yes.
So
that's
I figured that would make you happy and make it bright in here.
Absolutely.
But no, I'm glad that you love it. I want you to enjoy it. And hopefully we have given you the emotional boost that you need to get started now that it's not so disorganized and in turmoil.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
I'm so
Amanda.
happy.
Oh, you're welcome. Enjoy your new space.
Thank you. Walking into my office now just makes me feel truly like I have my life together. We all want to feel that it's going well. And there are a lot of things that are going well. I'm very blessed, but even more so now because I can walk into my office and there's a whole space to do yoga, and I can do that calmly without worrying about kicking something over off of my desk. I would definitely recommend that anyone who wants to get a space or several spaces organized, that they get a hold of Michaele. She made the process super smooth for me. She kept me involved when I needed to be, but I was still super surprised. I certainly plan on having her come back because I have a couple other areas that I might need organized.